Hello, ladies. My name is Olivia, and I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. I had quite a few requests for a tutorial for Friday's Gothic bow wrap look, so I thought I would just make a real quick tutorial so that you could see how it was done. Now, this wrap is done with two different scarves. The first scarf being a soft pashmina in black, and a red cranberry. Now, please do not feel limited by this color scheme. It can be done in so many different colors, and I may try it next week with either a green or something, just something different. So, okay, now as for shapers, I wore the ultimate on Friday in white. Again, shaper is your choice. I do think it lends to having a little bit of shape in the back, but I am not convinced that it could not be done with just a velvet headband. So after I've gotten a little chatty here, let's get started with the wrap. I'm first starting off with the black soft pashmina, and I'm going to take it and fold it just like so. Now, it's a little bit of a larger fold than I normally do, but this is a smaller shaper than I normally wear, so this actually works out well. When I place it on my head, I'm going to use a technique I typically use for square scarves because I need that extra bit of tail on the one side. So I'm going to be placing it on my head, just like so. And Micah is leaving us with this nice short tail on this side and the nice long tail coming down over here. I'm going to hold the fringes and hold this in place while I bring this around like so. And I have this very long tail. I will fix it so that it is laying neatly. Just something to make it a little bit easier when I move on to the next step of wrapping them up. Okay, now this scarf, the cranberry, I'm going to lay it on my head so that you can see this nice border, just like so. I'm going to do the same thing as far as a short tail because I want that extra long tail on my right side. So you can see this is very wide, so I'm going to grab back here and I'm just going to pull this up a little bit just to shorten the width. And I'm gathering up and I'm going to take this piece, bring it around, spinning around a little bit. It's a little awkward at first. I'm going to place this underneath. Hello, sweetheart. Okay, just like so. All right, so we had that. And then I'm going to take this long tail and bring it underneath of the black one. Okay. All right. Just give it a little tug. Don't pull it too tight, but just a little tug to make it nice and taut. Okay. So I'm going to situate this scarf like so. Make sure our scarf from before is nice and neat. No kitty cat fuzz on it. Okay. I'm taking the black tail up and over, just like so. And I'm going to grab the red and do the same, just like so. Now for the knot, I'm going to bring the black tail in front. I'm going to bring it up through, just like this. Okay. And when I tie that, I want it to be snug, but not too tight. Now I'm going to start with the black tail. I'm going to open it, twist it and open it up, just like so. Gathering. Okay. And I'm going to bring it around the back. You can see I brought it around the back. I don't want to pull too flat because I want some volume on this side. Okay. And you can see I'm bringing up and over. Hello, darling. Mr. Micah wanted to join us. Say hello. Hey, sweetheart. Luna's at my feet. Hey. And I'm just tucking in the black scarf. Oh my goodness, you're so sweet. Can you get to the window? Okay. So this is the first tail. Okay. You move that. Are you okay? All right, go ahead and jump down. Oh, he's so much fun. All right, so for the second tail, I am going to be opening it up a little bit. I didn't show any of this border in the original, so I'm not going to do it now. I'm just getting it to drape the way I want it. And then I'm going to bring it around the back. And I want to make sure when I'm bringing this up that I'm not covering the black. I don't want to see the red on this side at all. So I'm bringing it behind and keeping it sort of flat. And then I'm going to tuck in right here. You can see I've got all these really beautiful pleats. I can tuck that black piece back a little bit more. Okay. And just making sure that the red isn't visible from the front. Okay. Let me feel around back here. I'm hoping that I have it nice and neat. All right. There we are. This is the wrap that I did on Friday. That's better. The Gothic bow wrap. I'm going to spin around and show the back. And this side. Okay, well, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one.